निर्वनो वध्यते व्याघ्रो निर्व्याघ्रं छिद्यते वनं तस्माद्व्याघ्रो वनं रक्षेत् वयं व्याघ्रं च पालयेत्.
The epic Mahabharata, centuries ago, has mentioned that if there is no forest, the tiger gets killed. And if there is no tiger, then the forest gets destroyed. Hence, the tiger protects the forest and the forest guards the tiger. Based on the petition filed by the Goa Foundation, the High Court of Bombay at Goa's Division Bench of Justices Mahesh Sonak and Bharat Deshpande on July 24th, while delivering a historic judgment, directed Goa government to issue a notification to declare the Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary and its surrounding areas as a tiger reserve in 3 months, along with preparing a tiger conservation plan. In 1999, the notification of the Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary was issued by the then Governor, retired Lieutenant General J.F.R. Jacob, for not only providing the protection and conservation of the tiger and its landscape, but also to consolidate the security of water resources of the smallest state lying on the west coast of the Indian Union. However, as no sincere efforts were made to issue the final notification of the sanctuary, by settling the forest right claims and also curtailing threats posed to wildlife, ecology and forests, from 2009 to 2019, 5 tigers were found to be treacherously killed by the locals. Sattari Taluka, sharing the borders with Maharashtra and Karnataka, has almost 78% of the forest of the North Goa. The river Mandavi, originating in the western Ghats forests of Karnataka inside the Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary as the Mhadei, caters drinking water needs of more than 40% population of the state. The largest living cat species, the tiger, as an apex predator, primarily prey on the herbivorous animals like deer, gaur, and so on. Since time immemorial, tigers have been living in the jungle of Sattari. This majestic and most charismatic big cat is indeed the natural wealth of this land, and names like the Vagheri, Vagure, Vagbir, Vagdaro are the testimony of this. Besides tigers, the area is known for leopards. Also, this jungle has been providing the refuge to sloth bears. Varied species of the floral and faunal wealth has enriched the Mhadei region. Today, the forests and wildlife here are threatened by degradation and fragmentation of the natural habitat, along with a massive encroachment for increasing the cashew plantation and other horticultural crops, as well as rampant poaching of the wild animals, and this has resulted in the fearful human-wildlife conflict. This year, increasing incidents of fire posed serious threat to wildlife, ecology and forest to the greater extent of Sattari. In 2011, the Union Minister of Environment and Forests and also the National Tiger Conservation Authority repeatedly asked Goa government to declare the Mhadei Sanctuary as a tiger reserve, but it clearly indicated that its efforts to protect the tigers are severely lacking. The court emphasized that the tiger corridors are vital for the survival of the tiger. Without corridors, tiger habitat can become fragmented and tiger population isolated. Excluding areas of human settlements, agriculture and horticulture, if any falls within the sanctuary, creating Mhadei Tiger Reserve is a need of the hour for strengthening Goa's water security and protecting the unique assets of natural heritage inheriting from the era of the dinosaurs. Polluting industries, mining, quarrying and activities causing grave threat to the environment will be restrained. When the notification of the Mhadei wildlife was issued, only the government reserve forests as far as possible were included and settlement areas were excluded. The core of the proposed tiger reserve will include areas known for the richness of forest and wildlife, whereas the villages will form the part of the buffer zone, where agriculture, horticultural activities, traditional occupations and ecotourism ventures will be allowed. The Mhadei is a forest of tigers, and saving these big cats and thereby forests will make our life and livelihood secure and safe in the era of climate change and global warming. Floods, droughts, earthquakes, and other natural calamities have been taking a huge toll of human life and property. Incidents of landslides that had taken place on a massive scale in Amyatsogavar in Satre of Sattari are indeed the alarm call for us that the Western Ghat areas of Goa are threatened by increasing anthropogenic activities. Protecting tigers in the forested landscape means having a healthy ecosystem that helps in sustaining better human life in Goa.